Good evening, everyone. So we have a very interesting qualifier today between Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders, and we have Yash here to talk about it. So Yash, it's a big clash, the qualifier which will settle the score for both teams today. So what do you think will happen? How do you see the match happening?
Yeah, Rustam, it's easily the titanic tussle of the IPL. In the absence of Chennai Super Kings, these are the two most successful teams in the history of the competition. Both have won 2 titles each. Every year in the playoff, you see at least one, if not both of these teams. It's pretty much a habit. They've got the big names, they've got the form and the history of doing well in this competition, so it promises to be.
So the match. I mean, the Kolkata Knight Riders has always had not a very good outing with the Mumbai Indians since the 2008, I think, last 10 years. So how do you think they will tackle it? Because huge pressure on Gotham Gambhir. They just sneaked into the qualifiers and now they are in this. So how do you think KKR will
Yes,
go after this?
Mumbai has been a bogey team for Kolkata, as you rightly mentioned. I think it's 13-4 overall. Even this season, if you look only at the present, Mumbai won both their league stage games against Kolkata.
And by big margin.
And by big margin. So that's a factor that will count. But Kolkata, the immediate form is what favours Kolkata. Mumbai coming on the back of a loss to Pune, a game which Rohit Sharma himself said wasn't one that they should have lost. 160 at the Wankhede. It was a slow pitch that day, but chasing 160 at Wankhede would have usually favoured Mumbai. But they lost. And Kolkata, on the other hand, as much as it was a rain-affected encounter, they come in on the back of eliminating the defending champions. Short, sharp match, and they eliminated the defending champions. So that's a big deal. That is something that will give them a lot of confidence coming into tonight's match.
So how do you see the face-offs happening between the two teams? Who do you think is the player to which from Mumbai Indians and KKR?
You know, it's a match happening in Bengaluru, and if this was exactly 1 year back, you would have thought that this is primed for a high-scoring game with both teams having power-packed batting lineups. Instead, now with what is a very sluggish track at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, where spinners have enjoyed great success through this season, a second strength of both these sides comes to the fore. Both Mumbai and Kolkata have a good spin bowling attack. Mumbai, it won't be surprising if they get Harbhajan Singh back in. He did not play against Pune in qualifier 1. You can expect them to bring Harbhajan in to join Krunal Pandya and possibly Karan Sharma stays in the team. Kolkata themselves have the spinners, so whoever wins that battle of spin is likely to win.
So it looks as if it will be the battle of the middle overs.
Yes, it should be, and that's another reason why Harbhajan Singh takes great prominence as far as this game is concerned. He has more wickets than any other bowler in the middle overs of this season. His economy rate has been 6, which is phenomenal considering they played most of their matches at a high-scoring Wankhede. So yeah, the middle overs will become all important. Where Kolkata will feel slightly hard done by is that one batsman who does very well for them in the middle overs is Manish Pandey, and he's no longer part of this tournament.
So how do you think Gotham Gambhir should react to this? You think he should open?
Well, he will be tempted to, but there is, because they have that absence in the middle order, there might actually be cause for him to stay there. It's a well-known fact that Gotham Gambhir is one of the best players to spin in this country, despite not having been in the Indian team for the last couple of years, he remains one of the best players of spin. Considering the fact that they have Lin and Narayan who worked well for them, I think Gambhir will probably want to stay in the middle order to ensure that he can counter that spin threat from Mumbai.
And what about the weather? It's been a rain wrap.
Yes, it's a great part that you mentioned that, because we can talk about these teams, we can talk about their players, but for all you know, the weather gods might be the decisive factor in this game. It's been pouring in Bengaluru over the last week. You saw the eliminator day before, which was marred by rain. Last night it rained consistently in Bengaluru. There are predictions of a shower tonight, and that would be great news to Mumbai because there is no reserve day for the qualifier 2. And if there is no match, Mumbai, on account of having finished above Kolkata in the league stages, will go through to the final.
So that means it's KKR's game to lose or win, and it's only
Yes,
KKR.
definitely. They definitely don't want the weather gods coming into the picture.
So that's our qualifier preview for today, and thanks, Yash, so much. Thank you.